Alright, so we have DV9000. It's an Intel version here, and so what we're going to do is turn it on and see what happens. We see that the lights turned on and everything seems to be going. We get video and then we have artifacting. So, well, actually, it did seem to be doing that. Maybe that was just a boot for Ubuntu or not. Usually, when we see something like this, it's artifacting. Um, we have a blinking cursor in this top screen. We see variations on it. We got the lines. So we know that this is artifacting, pure and simple. That's what it does. So this is a typical chipset failure. So what we're going to do is turn this off and tear it down and rebuild it after we reflow it. So that's what we're going to proceed to do, and we're going to use that to repair it. Okay, so we have this DV9000 Intel model here. We just turned it on after redoing the chipsets. So we noticed that there are no lines. There aren't any artifacting occurrences here, so we're going to let it boot up and see what happens. Not exactly sure. We don't see any 8s across the screen. This should start up into Ubuntu. So that's what we're seeing. It's at about 50 something percent. So we're going to let it start up. And we notice that everything seems to be working perfectly fine. We're seeing the actual operating system go in, and we see that the system seems to be up. So what we're going to do is take and power this unit off, and we'll just shut it down, and we'll see that it's having a clean shutdown and everything seems to be fine with it. So we're going to call this Intel model completely finished. We'll say that the reflow actually worked on it. We'll run it for about 2.5 hours after the fact, but that's only going to be after we get done finished doing the AMD model here. So we're going to let this one finalize and shut down, so we'll move on to the next one, putting it together and see how it turned out.